strawberry milk pudding. So we will see how we are going to do. I need milk, 5 cups of milk I need. So we will use that 5 cups of milk and make the strawberry milk pudding. Now I am going to use milk. I have taken 5 cups. That means what I have done here is I took 1 can of condensed milk, diluted with water and made the cream. So now I am going to use corn flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I am going to do is I am going to nicely stir it. Along with this, while I am stirring it, it has to be nicely diluted. Along with that, I am going to use gelatin. Gelatin I am using 1 tablespoon, 100 grams of sugar. We don't need much because we have used condensed milk, so it won't be necessary for us to use too much of sugar. And along with that, I am going to use now 30 grams of butter. 30 grams butter I am using. Since I have used condensed milk, we have to keep on stirring. We can't stop stirring also. It will get burnt at the bottom. So we will nicely stir it till it gets thickened. Now it's getting thickened. Once it gets thickened, we will take off heat. That means I off the cooker, stir it, bring it out of the cooker. We have brought it. Now see, the main thing is, I said strawberry. So I have the strawberry jelly. So we will use the strawberry jelly. As soon as we take it out, the jelly is being used into it. Hot. While it is hot, we mix all these together and stir it. Already I am getting the flavor of strawberry. So strawberry flavor, because it's a jelly that I used, so the strawberry flavor is there in it. So now see how it looks. Now I am going to use 2 egg whites stiffly beaten. We don't need egg yolks, only the egg white. I will beat it now. Let this cool. Now I have beaten this egg whites. This whipping cream is really not necessary, but if you like, you can use. Since I have it, I thought I will use this whipping cream too in it, so that it gives a better taste, better flavor and all that. And now we buy the whipping cream and whip it at home. Use them. There are different types of whipping cream. You can use whatever you like. Now I have mixed that also. Now what I am going to do is, I have this mixture, see, I will add that also into this. Just mixing it would do. I have taken a smaller bowl. I have nicely mixed everything, and my hand is also full of strawberry flavor in it. Actually, one portion of this I have to keep it in the fridge for a little while, and the second portion which I have to keep it till it gets set. I have to keep this portion which I have done in the fridge, at least freezer, at least for about 5 minutes. If I can keep, it will be better. And then the strawberries I have taken. I told you, We can use strawberry, raspberry, whatever you like you can use, blueberries. Now what I am going to do is, first I put the mixture half, keep it in the freezer for 5 minutes and then take it out. After taking it out, then we are going to put all those strawberries, raspberries, whatever you like you can use. And then what we do is, the balance, I am going to use a little strawberry flavor into the balance, strawberry flavor. I have already put the fruits also. Now again a little bit of coloring. Pour it over this. Now I had another packet of jelly, I told you. I had to use 2 packets of jelly. 1 packet of jelly I have used into this mixture and stiffly beaten egg whites and whipping cream, all that we put, and in 2 layers we have put it with the strawberries. And the jelly to make again in another packet, that means I put 1.5 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of gelatin, boiled it. After boiling those 2 together, take it off and put the jelly crystals. Put the jelly crystals and nicely mix it, right? And then put in a shallow bowl and leave to set in the fridge. And after you leave in the fridge, see what has happened. Now I am putting those pieces on top of it. So this is my strawberry milk pudding, which I am using 2 packets of strawberry jelly. I don't have to tell about the jelly. Of course you get nice jelly here. It's okay. Over this I am going to put a few chocolate chips, right? Yummy, and I hope you will all enjoy having the chocolate chips into it. Oh, lovely. And a few finely chopped cashew nuts. Yes. See, it's a beautiful pudding that I have done. It's so delicious, tasty, and I would say yummy. Yes. Now what I am going to do, keep it in the fridge, not in the freezer. In one of the shelves you keep it, and you can take it today in the night or tomorrow, day after. You can keep for a few days, no problem at all. If you are going to keep for a few days, cover with another bowl or a plate or even a foil. You can cover and keep it for about 3-4 days even, and you can use it. Use a dessert spoon and have the pudding.